A species known as the largest tree in the Philippines. What tree is it? Introducing Binuang Octomelius sumatrana of the family Tetramillaceae. Binuang is a very tall tree with a clear, regular, ochre-brown bole, slight buttresses, and a light open crown composed of a few strong branches bearing large heart-shaped leaves which insects always perforate. It is widely distributed in the upland Dipterocarpores of eastern Mindanao. It is frequently seen in rocky valleys and other moist and well-drained sites and is a very fast-growing species that prefers open areas. It extends from Sumatra to Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands and northwards to the Philippines. A low-altitude riverine species found in often almost pure stands. Leaves are alternate bands at the end of the twig's heart-shaped, length 20 to 50 centimeters, width 20 to 40 centimeters. Apex acuminate, base cordate or rounded, venation palmate, midrib and primary nerves brownish, pollen lip yellow with red nerves. Insects always perforate leaves, petiole very long, 10 to 30 centimeters. The main diagnostic characters are the large heart-shaped leaves, which are bands at the end of the twigs and always perforated by insects, are characteristic of this species. The wood is used for veneer and plywood, formwork, light construction, furniture, components, cabinets, moldings, coffins, shingles, interior finish, shelves, canvas, pattern making, hardboard, particle board, boxes and crates, matches, packing cases, low quality joinery, piece knit plots, dugouts, pulp and paper, and pencil slots. It can substitute white lawan wood. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.